Auntie, 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 the whole satellite there, auntie. Satellite. Auntie, you know me already. Me have to call you and tell you everything we happening in Jamaica. Auntie, me have to keep you up to date. Auntie, because me know you're not watching news. Your only focus is to sleep. But auntie, you know Mas Jasper, big son, where they are, yes, in their Florida for the last 40 years, you know, auntie. Yes, auntie from a little picnic, you know. Yes, member say, auntie member say 50 years now, you're there foreign, you know, auntie. Yes. Yes, and when me I go to basic school, yes, auntie. Mas Jasper big son. Eh? Yeah, the one when he no man. Auntie wala and the little no man. Auntie, when me in a first class, him in a fourth class, auntie. Yes, auntie. Yes. Mas Jasper and Kuega, England. Yes, auntie. Mm-hmm. And then Mas Jasper come back from England and left and go to Florida, go live. Mm-hmm. Yes, in the left and go over there, go pick apple. Mm-hmm. And I saw him send for the picnic them where have. Yes. So the big one me attack the first boy. Hmm? Yes, the big belly one. Yes, well, you remember auntie when him go to school, all belly big and look like they all runted good. Yes, auntie, in same one me attack, in same one. Yes. Mm-hmm. And never him near man, never. Well, auntie, me not think you want to hear this here. Auntie, you know say, in come down. Auntie, one no more suitcase in come down with. Hmm? Auntie, me can't believe to say, in their foreign for 40 years, auntie, and never having stay over there. Why, auntie? Auntie, that a worthlessness, man. Auntie, how me get to know, you know, say, a Mas Glenn daughter buck him up at airport. In at the airport, the two of them come down on the same flight. Auntie. Auntie boy no look good at all, man. One no more suitcase in come with auntie. No man, he no look good. Then auntie all these years he up a foreign, he never achieved no, he no have no house, no up there, auntie. Auntie might not deport him here because me no think say he could have just come down so dry. Something fishy, auntie. He no look good at all. Auntie, me have to go try seek out this one here for you and call you back and make you know. Because he no look good, auntie. Auntie no look good at all. Me have to go get down to the meat of the matter. Yes, auntie, me have to go get down to the meat of the matter. It don't look good at all, auntie. Then auntie, you want to tell me say, auntie, a 3 picnic have up there, you know, all married, you know. And you want to tell me say auntie he no sort out himself? No man, auntie no look good at all. No man, this no lookable. Auntie, this not tenable at all. Auntie, yeah. This no look good. It look good. No look good at all. You want to tell me say auntie all these years in sit down over there waste time, auntie. Auntie, I don't like say he did a send nothing come out here, you know. He never send nothing come out here. And auntie, he a whole heap of niece and nephew out here, auntie, and he never remember one of them to send nothing come out here, come give them. No man, that don't look pretty at all. Auntie, you know what I think the government should have done, auntie? Auntie, I think the government should have set up a place that as they come off of the plane, they can get screening, auntie, to see if them are criminal or whatever they did do over there, or then just did over there and then send them back. Or if they get themselves in any entanglement over there, auntie. Instead of it just shove them back into the society, auntie, and they not understand certain things with the society out there. Because I never know what they are firing for 40 years, auntie. It's hard to get back into this kind of living out here, you know, auntie. If not used to these things out here, you know, auntie. Auntie, I think them should have put things and place in measures, auntie, to deal with those sort of situation instead of just throw them back into the society. Auntie, it don't look good. It don't look good, auntie. Auntie, some of them are suffer from mental illness. Some of them have all sort of problem, auntie. You know, easy for them come live this a lifestyle where them never used to, auntie. Auntie, some of them over foreign there, and you know too, you know, so I don't lie, me I tell you, no, auntie. Never work from the day them born them over there, them a live off of freeness over there, auntie. And it's hard now for them come here, come find little work do, and then they not send back nothing, then they not do no farming here, they not nothing here, they not no resources here. Auntie, you know, look good. Something have to go put in place for them, auntie. Yes, to help them. Yes, auntie, because those things, auntie, is causing problem into the society with them. Auntie, we have to look into it, man. We have to seriously look into it. Yes, we have to find the solution. Alright, auntie, take care of yourself. Alright, bye. Well, auntie, me I go see if me find anything more on the satellite there and call you back.